Imagine generating human speech 2000 times faster than real time on a GPU or 20 times faster on just a CPU with a model so compact it runs on your laptop. That's Soprano, an 80 million parameter text to speech system that shatters the traditional trade off between quality and speed. This is Fahad Mirza, and in this video we are going to install Soprano on our local system and we are going to test it out. Please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member. Please also follow me on X if you are looking for AI updates. While most TTS models require cloud infra and hefty compute, Soprano delivers crystal clear 32 kHz audio with under 1 GB of memory. That's it. Streaming output with as little as 50 or 15 milliseconds of latency on a GPU. It's the kind of efficiency that makes real-time voice synthesis genuinely practical for everyday applications. They have also released a GitHub repo with a lot of goodies in there, and you can also train it. But for the training video, I will make another series which will be released soon. I will be talking more around its architecture and how exactly this works, but for now, let's get it installed. So I am going to use this Ubuntu system. Though I do have a GPU, but I intend to use the CPU for this. So I'm just going to create a virtual environment. And if you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable price, you can find the link to Massed Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for a range of GPUs. So please do check them out. Okay, let's go back and let me also show you the GitHub repo. So this is a Git repo which you can clone, and there are few goodies there if you like. But if you don't want to go with this GitHub repo, all you need to do is to run this pip command in order to get it installed, and it is going to install it for you. And this shouldn't take too long. It's very lightweight. And Soprano is installed. Now all you need to do is to just either use it in CLI or your Python script. You can even create an OpenAI compatible server, or you can just simply launch this web UI. If you have lower RAM or VRAM or CPU or GPU, then you can simply run Soprano web UI. But if you have more RAM and CPU, you can even increase the batch size. That will just increase the speed. So I'm just launching this Soprano web UI. You see that how small the model is. Okay, so this is interesting. So what it is telling me that I need to use this parameter with it. So let me do that. So for the parameter, what we need to do, we need to go to generation config, which gets downloaded when you download the model. So for me, it is in .cache directory, and this is the file I am talking about. Now, interestingly enough, when I get this file, what happens is, sorry, I'll just have to type all this thing and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I have typed all of it. Now you see that it doesn't really have many of the parameters which we need for generation. I think they missed this part, and then to be fair to them, it was just released. Anyway, so I'm going to add those parameters, and I will simply use this cat command. You can even use any editor if you like. So all of these parameters are now added into generation. Let me now clear it, and now we can run that web UI again. And now you can see that Soprano is running in web on our local host at port 7860. Let's access it there. And there you go. This is what it looks like. Okay, so let's try it out. I'm just going to replace this, and the text which I'm going to generate speech for is this. The best part about being an adult is that you can eat ice cream for breakfast. But the worst part is knowing you probably shouldn't. So I dedicate this video to Scott Adams, who recently passed away. Real amazing human being. Okay, let's generate the speech. And within 5 seconds, it has generated the speech. Let me play it for you.
The best part about being an adult is that you can eat ice cream for breakfast, but the worst part is knowing you probably shouldn't.
Cool, amazing. Okay, so next up, let's test a longer text, around 25 second, I would say. Let me generate the speech and we will check out how long does it take. Shouldn't take too long. Now, I don't think so this model has
The
expressions.
moment I met you, everything changed.
So I have just stopped it. So it just took around 25.34 second. Sorry, it just took around 6 seconds to generate this of 25 second of audio. Now, let me play it first in the browser and then we will check it out because I'm in the VM. So there, if I play it here, you won't be able to listen it clearly. So let's play this.
The moment I met you, everything changed. The world suddenly had color I'd never seen before, music I'd never heard, and a warmth I didn't know existed. You walked into my life like sunshine breaking through storm clouds, and suddenly all those love songs finally made sense. I used to think soulmates were just romantic fiction, but then you proved me wrong with every laugh we shared, every conversation that lasted until dawn, and every comfortable silence that felt more intimate than words ever could.
So I think the claim to fame for this model is that it is ultra fast, which is true, and you can check it out on their model card too. Well, I don't think so. It is that realistic. It is instant, but it is not realistic because I think expressions are not there yet. But just such a small model running on CPU so fast, I think really suitable for the mobile. Now, let me say a few words around its architecture because this is where they have done something real good. So if you look under the hood, this achieve the instant or instantaneous audio through aggressive architecture optimization, packing expressive speech synthesis into just 80 million parameter. So the system supports lossless streaming with automatic text chunking for infinite length generation, and it's production ready out of the box with, as I said, WebUI, CLI, and OpenAI. This was trained on 1000 hours of English audio, and it also stumbles on uncommon words but compensates with blazing inference speed, I guess. So as I said, don't think that it is perfect, but if you are looking for something really fast, this might be the choice. Okay, in the last test, what I'm going to do, I have just given it this philosophical text, and what I'm looking to do here, if it is able to add some sort of realism into this one or not. So let's run it. And it has finished it. Let me play it for you.
We spend our entire lives collecting things, possessions, achievements, memories, as if we're building some grand monument to our existence. But in the end, what really matters isn't what we accumulated, it's the moments we were truly present for. The conversations where we actually listened instead of waiting to speak. The sunsets we watched without checking our phones. The people we loved without condition or expectation. Life isn't measured in accomplishments or acquisitions, it's measured in the depth of our connections and the authenticity of our experiences.
So in this one, there is realism. Not much, I mean, to my liking, but still, I think it tried. But this thing could be improved a lot, and I think if we fine tune this model more, it is going to perform better. And as I said, they also have a factory for fine tuning training, which I will be covering in the next video. But for now, let me know what do you think about Soprano. We are having a TTS galore at the moment. I covered few just yesterday, and there is one in the pipeline like this Pocket TTS, which was really good too. That's it. Please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member because members are the jewel of the channel and they keep the lights on. Please also follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. Thank you for all the support.